So how to use this feature? Now go to your bot, send the start command, click group setting in the pop-up menu, then select your group. Next, click CAPTCHA, which is disabled by default. Click disable to turn it on. Once enabled, you can set the test duration and test method. The test method include click, math, and the newly added join. Let's select join. On this interface, click the corresponding buttons to add your channels, groups, or bots to the required list. You can select multiple channels, groups, or bots at the same time. A check mark means selected, and you can click again to deselect. Please note that only bots added to Echo and the groups and channels managed by them will be shown here. And you can view all selected channels, groups, and bots here. If you need to modify the required list later, click Join Setting in the CAPTCHA menu. Let's check how it works. When new members joining the group, they will be automatically muted and a prompt will appear in the group. The member must join the channels, groups, or bots in the required list within the specified time. After joining, click this button, then they can speak normally in the group. Otherwise, they will be automatically kicked out of the group.